Hi all, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using UiPath. In today's session, we are going to discuss about API call. So first of all, let me understand what is the use of an API. So how it has been used in our day-to-day life. So in general, so API is used to exchange or transfer the data. So in a real-time example, so if you're going to search for a site, okay, so you will be like entering the particular site name and it will be hit on enter, right? So do you know what are the next action will be taken from there? So the client, so what actually we are requesting for this particular site, it will be moved to the server. In server, so we'll be getting a response for the particular hit which you are looking for, and it will give a response to the client, so to us. So for an example, if you're going to search http.google, so it will hit on the server. As a response, we are getting the site. This is how API basically works actually. So as you see here, under APIs, we have several HTTP methods. So which is get, post, put, and delete. So basically what actually this does. So get, so it used to get particular data from the server. Okay, so when you are looking for some information, so it helps to get the particular information from the server. So what actually mean by post? So for an example, if you're going to fill a form, right? So you're going to fill a form, particular Google form. So you just fill the name and each and every data. Then once you click on hit, the data will be posted to the other side, which is server, right? So what is mean by put? So basically this put operation, so this put method will help you to update the content which is already exist over there. So what mean by delete method? So this delete method will basically help you to delete the content which should not be there on this particular site. And we have still other HTTP methods as well, which is patch, but these four are the common which will be used by everyone. So you can see here, right? So client send a request to get the Google page. Okay, so http.www.google.com. So they'll be typing that particular site over there. What actually it will does, so it will move to the server. In server, we used to get a response, an HTTP response, and then so we'll be able to see the particular Google site. So this how basically API will works. Also, we can find the established connection between the client and server with the help of the status codes which we'll be getting over there. So those are nothing but 200, 202. So as a state is 200, so what actually we will be typing a particular site and we will be hit on to the server, right? We are going to move from the server. So this client will send a status which is nothing but 200 to this particular server. Once the server got the things from the client, so what actually client looking for, and it will reply back to the particular request as a 202, which is nothing but, so hey, I have received your request, and then so I just sending the output of the particular which is looking for. So this how basically API will works. So we are going to use this API extraction in our UiPath as well. So as a prerequisite, we have to install some packages. So let me walk through those things as well. Let me quickly jump to the UiPath. So already I have just created a process. So what actually we are going to do? So we are going to install our prerequisite packages now. So let me click on manage package. So click on all packages. So here we are going to look for our web API package. So UiPath dot web API. Yeah, so this is the one. Just try to install this. Click on save. So I guess our package is installed now. So let me check for our HTTP request. HTTP, yeah. So we here we have, right. So HTTP request. So this particular HTTP request will help you to traversal to the each and every pages and try to extract the data. So which you are looking for. So on the method request method which I told you here, you can see, right. So get method, post method, put, delete, header, option, fetch. So these are the methods. From this, these four are the common methods will be used on everywhere actually. And then so here you have to enter your endpoints where actually data need to be extracted. Once you are entered over there, so you can see the response over here as well. So what is the particular response of the URL? And then so you can make your authentication as well. So you can go with this option to crack those authentication, and you can try to access the particular URL. So once you have entered the URL, so what actually we are going to do? So we have to decentralize those things. So decentralize, so will help you to make a structured format in a JSON format so that you can traverse to the each and every nodes. So those will be like couple of steps which are going to discuss in our upcoming sessions as a basic. So I hope you will be get more insight about how API works. So what are the things need to be done for the API and the prerequisite packages. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Have a good day.